Yeah.
But you are not from Kuwait.
No, we are from Philippines.
Philippines. Okay,
Yeah, Philippines. Ang ganda. Malapit na matapos yung ino natin.
This guy together with you?
Yeah.
But he don't speak Russian.
Sorry. Yeah, I look like Russian. So.
Everyone thinks like that.
Berkudas.
Very good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very good.
Chinese?
Chinese.
Sorry.
Hershey.
Hershey.
Yeah, Hershey. Hershey da.
LV?
Yellen. Okay, so good morning mga kabega. So this is our second day here in Almaty. So our first, where we will go first? Altin
Emil.
Okay, so Altin Emil. So it's like a...
It's not first. We are going totally in Altin Emil National Park. So
okay.
generally we are going to Altin Emil National Park.
Okay.
And so I have 3 spots. 3 or 4.
Okay.
Aktau, Katutau, 7 years old tree, and singing birds.
Tomorrow or today?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah, because it's like a snow day, right?
No.
Yeah, may isa.
No, it's a different.
Okay, yes. Yeah, tomorrow nga. Yun nga yung last day natin. Na ano. So, medyo malamig din mga kabega, nasa baba tayo. So, parang ang peg sana na pupunta namin is yung parang desierto. Kaso lang, biglang nag-snow, biglang lumaki. Tinausok-usok na yung ano ko mga kabega. So, kaya ganito yung outfit namin ngayon. O, yun. Diba? Doon ya. Ilaban mo ang lamig doy. Diba? Mga gala. Ilaban. Okay, see you there mga kabega. Dalawang sasakyan kami mga kabega. So, isang sasakyan dito. Nandito yung gamit namin. Tapos, the other one. Hi!
Hello!
What's your name?
My name is Soljas.
Soljas. Say hi to my channel, Soljas.
Hello!
Say hi mga kabega.
Hi, Makavega?
Yeah. Okay. So now, pangalawang sasakyan. Dito sila LV at saka yung Juwais niya. So medyo nag-snow na dito mga kabega. Ang lamig ha?
Snowing.
Yeah. Lamig.
Ganito pa niya, sa harap na.
Ang ganda ni ating outfitang maluk. Princess Sarah, ikaw ba yan? Oh no! Bye-bye! Yung...
Natawa siya kasi wala na siyang, wala pa nang...
So yan mga kabega, bumaba muna kami kasi nga ang biyahe pala namin mga kabega is mga nasa 4 hours pa mga kabega. Hi, where are they? Okay, 4 hours pa yung biyahe namin mga kabega papuntang Altin Emil mga kabega. So dito kami ngayon sa grocery store, bili na lang ng mga pang snacks para hindi tayo magutom sa biyahe kasi nga time check mga kabega is already 9. Saan sila? Yeah, already 9 mga kabega. So maybe by 12 or 1 darating na tayo dun. Tapos diretso na yung lunch. Check. So ito yung price nila dito mga kabega, no? Yung sa water nila medyo mahal-mahal mga kabega kasi see 1.5 tenge. So mga nasa ano mga kabega, mga 1k din yung water nila. So medyo mahal dito mga kabega. So dito sa foods, ayan. So Yan, 1,600. 1,150. Sa shawarma, 750. Tapos sa Pepsi naman nila mga kabega, o tingnan mo, 945. 630. Yan, so medyo mahal siya. So may KFC dun mga kabega, KFC. Yan, KFC. So ayan mga kabega, nakita nyo naman yung price. So medyo mahal siya unti mga kabega, no? So advice ko na lang sa inyo is magdala na lang kayo ng something, mga snacks from Kuwait. Kung nanggaling kayo ng Kuwait, tapos hello. Tapos bili na lang kayo ng dala ng snacks, tapos yung mga ano na lang, yung dadalhin nyo dito, yung mga kailangan nyo talaga. Kasi nga pag dito kayo bibili, dapat marunong kayo mag-budget kasi medyo mahal yung pagkain talaga nila. Kita nyo naman yung Pepsi, diba? So mga nasa 950 tenge, so mga around 750 pills. Eh sa Kuwait mabibili lang natin siya ng mga 250. Diba te? Oh. Oh.
Expensive dito.
Hindi. Burger hindi.
Ha?
May egg pa tayo.
Pork to oh.
What? Okay.
It's pork, right?
Yeah, so bili ako ng cream cheese mga kabega, pang ano natin, pang breakfast. So mga nasa ano lang siya, 1,000 credits. So around 1 KD mga kabega. Kunin ko muna yung ano ko, tea.
No. It's an administrative center of Almaty region. So and now it's industry zone here. Industry zone, administrative center of Almaty region. So and here have a dam and a hydroelectric station.
Okay.
So many solar panel and also military base camp.
Okay. And we have also the, what you call this one? The big turbine, or so that's how you get your electricity there, right?
A wind electric station.
Yeah, wind. And the windmill. Kilala mo si Montana? Yan, asawa yan ni Cesar Montano. Montana, asawa ni Cesar Montano. Aha. Wow. So this area mga kabega, ito daw yung ano, parang Las Vegas nila or Macau. May halintulad siya sa Las Vegas or Macau. So most of these areas, puro mga casino. Yan, grabe talaga itong mga Bombay. Uy, mga mayaman. Sa atin, mga Bombay, may papautang eh. Ito ganun din, nagpalaro sila ng ano, sugal.
Bridge. And the four dam at this area was cut. So this is also ancient place.
Wow.
Because it's these old rocks, it's one kind of ancient lava and volcano.
Yeah,
And
that's
so
what
color is brown and red, you know?
Yeah.
Because rocks toilet.
Okay, good.
5 minutes, okay?
Okay.
5 minutes to one smoking, please smoke. Go to toilet, go to toilet.
Yeah, picture
So,
tayo.
yeah, because
Where's the toilet?
in back sides.
Backside.
Kaya nga. CR lang kami saglit mga kabega, hindi ako naka-jacket. Apakalamig mga kabega ngayon. Kung gaano kalamig yung kahapon, mas malamig ngayon. Tumagos na sa kamay ko. Yan oh. Snow na lahat dito mga kabega. Ganito sana yung weather sa Pinas, no? Dalawa oh. Wow, after 5 hours travel. Kaya pa? Kaya mo ka. Ayan, so nandito na kami mga kabega sa Alten Emil. So, tuloy muna kami sa guest house namin. Ayan, ayan mga kabega oh, pakita ko sa inyo. Yan, dito na kami mga kabeka. Woo! Yan, mag-apple ano muna kami. Char. Yan, ito yung guest house namin. Stayhan for 1 night. Tsaka may apple dito mga kabeka. O yan, nanguha na ng apple si ate. Wow! Wow! Ang liit niya. Ako tayo dito sa ibabaw. Ay, sa ano? Pang dahil sa winter, no? Nalanta na siya, ha?
Ulan na.
Dahil kasi sa winter na. Ito pala yung apple tayo mga kabega. At least, nakakita pa rin kami ng apple. Sobrang lamig dito mga kabega. Ah. Oh, yan. Sige nga, patikim nga. Yan. Aliday. Kunin ko. Wow. Wow. Ang liit. Ito. Meron pa. Saan? Oh, sige. Yan. Sige, kasi wala yan sa Kuwait. Kuha kayo ng apple. O, nakuha? Oh, no! Hindi, sige pa.
Hindi ko mabot.
Talon daw, talon. Ready?
Ayun yung malalaki, oh.
Yan. Nasa ibabaw. Ay! Crispy sa akin. Masamis pa.
Ayan, oh. Ito.
Yan, sige.
Malakas yung kahoy, eh.
Saan? Okay.
Bakit hindi
Paano
natin
kunin? Talunin.
Paano kunin?
Yan.
Paano natin siya kunin? Ang laki.
Ito, gusto ko nga ito. Ay, ito. Pwede yun matalon. Yun oh, yun oh. Akyatin mo. Sino marunong? Akyat. Dito oh, dyan oh. So, kunin muna namin yung gamit namin mga kabeg. Ilagay muna namin sa loob. Continue kami mamaya. Oh, lamig-lamig. Yummy ah. Apple.
Kuhanin mo nga siya kunday.
Dito na kami sa guest house nila mga kabeg.
No. This one.
Only one?
Only one.
Wow. I will sleep here. Small bed.
I can fit in here.
No, I will sleep here. Do you and Helen?
They're also the same. Same.
Same?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna sleep in a small bed, okay?
Okay, 2 rooms yours. This and this you are choosing.
Okay.
Sharing.
You mean only one room for all?
Okay. No, 2 rooms.
2 rooms. Okay.
You can stay here.
Okay.
3 person, there.
Okay.
Okay, now keep time, go to lunch. Because early getting dark and so also road is dangerous can be.
Okay.
And so now we are going to have a lunch and after lunch we are already going to Akatutau. What do you think?
How long do we need to stay here?
Sorry?
30
Like,
minutes or an
for
hour?
lunch.
For lunch?
You said we are here for lunch first and then we will go to...
To park for visiting our spots.
So how long we're gonna stay here for a lunch?
30 minutes or 1 hour?
30 minutes. No. We just for
lunch,
Yeah.
yeah.
Leave. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, lunch then.
Yeah. And
Okay,
just I leave it our luggage and after trip you are resting.
Okay, thank you.
We come back.
Okay. So, baba muna ulit kami mga kabega kasi magla-lunch kami. Ayan. Tapos, diretso na sa aming tour. Ayon sa tour guide namin. Wow. Lunch time here. Okay. Tayong lunch time, parang breakfast. Hala. Ako goods ako sa ganitong lunch. Ewan ko lang to sa dalawa.
It's okay for me.
Wow.
Take tayo photo.
May gulay-gulay ko doon. Doon ko yung...
This is yours, sorry. I need to go other side. Kain na tayo bago tayo mag-start.
Manti, right? Manti?
Jojo, pilmin.
Same like
Kipli, ano?
no, dumpling.
Dumpling.
Soup.
Dumpling with meat already, this one. It's nice.
All we need is the veggie. This one we have veggie.
That's it.
Kim aldı saltanat falan. Saltanat, min saltanattan isizgi жібереді бұл басқаша. Жаңа да жібереді.
Can you choose this one?
You are from
Ukraine.
Litva.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry for translation because we are calling Litva
Yeah.
and Latvia, and you are calling.
Lithuania.
Okay, Lithuania. So in 1 year ago, Turkey also changed it, and now it's Turkey.
Turkey?
Yeah, because Turkey means bird. It's big chicken. And so when the US people all the time joking like, oh chicken, and so and they are saying, we are not, we are Turkey.
Yeah.
Because your existence only 40 years. years in this.
Okay. Okay.
One tree growing.
1
year, 1 ring. 2 year, 2 ring.
So how did you know? You didn't cut the tree. How you know how many 700?
Yes, 700 rings.
Thank you. How many years? How many years you study in Cebu?
Just half year, 6 months.
6 months. In what school?
QQ English.
No.
In the IT park.
IT Park.
Yeah,
Okay, my house nearby in the IT Park.
Really?
Yeah.
So, our like dormitories in IT park and like our schools there.
But you know the UC, University of Cebu,
No, I don't know.
near the Country Mall. Yeah, front of it. Yeah, I studied there. Katutaw and Aktaw. Yeah. Katutaw and Aktaw. Yan. So, yung nakaraan mga kabega pala, nag-ano kami ng joyride. Gusto namin mag-joyride. So, hindi natuloy. So, ngayon talaga, more on joyride. Dalog na yung utak namin. Pahang, yung mga may utang namin sa Kuwait, pang makalimutan na siguro namin. Oh, no! Kaya, swerte nyo. Sana, wag naman. Kaya, bayad-bayad din pag may time.
Pag-travel namin.
Oo. So, ayan mga kabeka, nandito na tayo sa Aktaw Mountain. Baba natin, so medyo maulan. So, mag-ano tayo. Parang ulan na snow mga kabeka. Yan. Snow na pala. Yan. So, ganda mga kabega, ang ganda. So, ito palang inapakan ko mga kabega, hindi pala yan siya ano ha, hindi siya soil. Ano to siya, from volcano eruption daw, lava. Yan, ito mga kabega oh. Yan, lava yan na buo mga kabega. Yan, lava. See? Woo. Ganda. Yan. Ganda niya. Ayun, wow, saglit lang ha. Wow. So ayan, ito na nga mga kabega. Sobrang lamig, nag-snow. Nag-wear na ako ng gloves ko mga kabega kasi malamig na malamig na talaga. So ito pala mga kabega, ito. Yan. This is from volcano eruption, lava na namuo siya na parang mountain mga kabega. Yan, napakaganda mga kabega. Woo! Hi, say hi! Hi! Hi mga kabega! Wow! Oy! Hi! Wow!
You should catching, closing your eyes and dreaming. And so it's good omen. You will have more energy.
Wow!
And the life interesting and the good family.
Which one?
Wow!
Any of this?
No. This one.
Kami na hindi daw.
Wow! I like the that one.
Catching, closing your eyes and dreaming something.
Oh, me.
Seriously, happiness.
Yan, ganyan, ha? Okay,
And
start
you know,
now.
120 million staying here. And so it means long, and you should catching and closing your eyes and dreaming something.
Okay, so now I make a wish I can find my Tommy hot dog here.
Don't broke, please.
Sorry. Okay.
Again.
Just save for another.
Okay, sorry.
Say for us.
Kaya okay, that one the white. Wow, you used to this one, huh? This is a very surprise tour. You let us walk for how many kilometers now? Only 1 kilometer, right?
No, less.
Less only? Less? Yes, less only. Why, you want to sleep now, Madam Janice?
Of course, no.
Wow.
One more to go.
One more to go.
You climb that one. Wala pa on top. Wala pa to sa akitin natin. Oh, sinabi ko kanya. I told him to go up.
Kaloka mga kabega. Akala namin
I will wait here.
tapos na kami mga kabega. Yun pala, may mahaba pala kaming lakaran. Pero okay lang mga kabega kasi pogi naman ang tour guide. O, diba? Hi mga kabega. Say hi kabega. Say hi. Hi Cebu. Kumusta Cebu? Yeah, say hi Cebu. Yeah, hi Cebu. Pitsunyor. You experienced Sinulog there, no? The Sinulog Festival.
Yeah,
the big festival in Cebu City. So how was it?
Good, really good.
Really good?
Yeah.
So you're drunk, huh? You're party all over, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, lamig. Talaga? Nako, aakyat pa kami doon mga kabega sa tuktok.
Or doon.
Nako, dyan mga kabega, pupunta pa kami doon. Yan.
Ate ko ng ano.
Tapos naka-boots pa ha. Da.
Laban.
Okay sana yung mga kabega, yung pang hiking shoes yung sinuot namin. Pang wind, hindi
kasi namin matansya mga kabega ang panahon dito. Kasi dapat sana dito sa panahon na to, mainit daw. Biglang nag-winter. Kasi paiba-iba na daw yung panahon. So kami naman, hindi din namin matimpla kung anong susuotin namin. Kalain namin yung pa-outfit namin pang winter kasi sa disyerto kami. Pero malamig mga kabega, -5. Sa nakikita ko sa -5, promise.
Paktay ka diya. Okay. Yele.
No, I will not go. You'll not go?
Why?
We try.
Try, yala. Yala.
Yela, kid. Yela.
Not in the pocket, yes. Slowly. Вставай, не драть.
Okay, try.
Вставай, хоть, вставай.
Стат қызбайды екен.
Yeah.
Wow.
Slowly, be careful. Do you want I can take a video? Okay, you can go.
Wow. Top of the world. Natawa na lang si Ate Janice kung paano magbaba. Yelen, look at here. Sige, ayan. Oh, kaya? Kayanin or kakayamukat?
Sideway. Yes.
Tawa na lang si Janice. Ano? Huwag ka tawa-tawa dyan, Janice.
Good. Keep going.
Yeah.
Do you want video when you're going down?
No, it's fine.
No, keep distance.
And now go. Yeah, I'm good catching you.
Wow. Woo.
Professional catching.
For no stopper, you should a second time. And so it means a lucky continuous. So
Okay.
that's why in the two shots, it's we are doing without stop.
Okay, go.
So for very funny and for nice people.
Wow, thank you.
And for traveling and for emotion.
Wow, thank you. Cheers. Okay. Oh yeah, this one enough. Yeah, that's enough. Okay. So this cheers is for
life.
Cheers. Look at the camera. Yes. Okay. Wow. Thank you. Thank you, Joss. Thank you.
Ate, water. Banana?
Yes.
Oh, what banana in Kazakhstan? Kazakhstan? What? What?
Apshu.
Allah. Lasing na. Sige. The last, for the last.
No.
Please.
This one is last for our friends, right?
Okay.
So I want to say now again.
Okay.
So
Just for water for you. No more.
No, I will take.
He will refill.
Oh, where are you going?
He will refill.
Banana.
vodka.
You should ask banana or banana.
Here have two liquor. One liquor you and the second liquor you. Because it's last.
Wow. Thank you.
Because I like last.
Last drop.
Save the last. Save the best for last.
Yeah. Best.
Save the last drop for
Okay.
me.
We are waiting on last.
Yeah.
And so I will stay.
So yung chog ko sa'yo.
Ganila!
Wow.
Right. Read. Yeah.
Gorilla.
Don't you drink?
Oh.
Wait.
Cheers for the last.
Okay. Last cheers, right?
Yeah, last
Okay,
cheers.
last
Okay. For last cheers, you should drinking all.
Yes.
Yeah.
And so
For you, water.
Okay.
No, just.
Tea, okay.
so I want to say,
Yes.
be like gorilla smart. Be like gorilla strong.
Oh.
And be funny like gorilla all the time.
Oh.
Gorilla!
Okay. Cheers to the camera. Cheers to the camera. Cheers. Wow.
Cheers.
Good luck. Mga kabega, yan, pula-pula ni after whole day namin nag-trip mga kabega. May mga nanghagit ng vodka mga kabega. Aba. Nalagsing. Kagabi. Ang daya mga kabega, hindi umainom. Kabila, naubos namin yung 2 buti mga kabega. 40%. Oh.
Hindi naman
Ayan.
ako kasi sanay.
Ito mga kabega.
At least sumabay ako.
Hindi
ako KJ.
Okay. Saan na si ano? Banana. Marunong magbukas. Hindi marunong magbukas. Wow.